If you open CapCut's AI Video Maker and your screen looks nothing like the tutorials on YouTube, you're not crazy. CapCut quietly rebuilt the entire AI Video Maker interface. So what you're looking at now is a storyboard-based system. And I honestly can't believe this, but the entire workflow is currently free to use. And this isn't a small cosmetic update. They completely changed how this tool works. If you're watching older tutorials, you're literally looking at a different product. And if you don't understand this new version properly, you're going to use it wrong. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the 2026 version step by step. We are going to create a full vertical reel from scratch, refine it properly, bring it into the editor, and give it a clean, intentional finish. And I'll give you an honest verdict on whether this new AI workflow is actually worth using. I'm Agnes, your guide to mastering CapCut, and if you're ready, let's jump in. From the CapCut desktop home screen, click on AI Video Maker. You will land on a page that says Create engaging videos with AI in one click. And this is where the new structure begins. CapCut now asks you to build a video brief. This brief controls everything. There's the idea box where you either paste a full script you already have under your sleeves or type a short idea. For this example, let's make a reel called 10 Habits That Will Change Your Life in 2026. You don't need a perfect script. It works even with short, few words prompts. Now, right under that, you have the core controls. First, the style menu for the visual look. You will see different options, and this affects the type of visual CapCut generates. Let's leave it blank for this tutorial, but more on this in my next video. Next to it, you can choose the voice you want to use, go through them, test them, and pick the one you like. You can even add them to your favorites to save some time later. There's also the avatar option, which gives you both the voice and the visual identity. I leave it empty for now as well. Then there's the option to choose the duration and aspect ratio. Since we are making a reel, we'll choose 1 minute and 9:16. If you're making a YouTube video, you can choose up to 10 minutes and switch to 16:9. But you can control all of it later inside the editor. Now we are ready to hit create. This is the big upgrade, and this is where it gets powerful. CapCut now generates a structured storyboard layout with all the key elements. It adds a visual style, voice, music, and the full script. Watch what is happening. Your script is automatically being generated. If you are happy with it, hit generate video. Now your script is being split into scenes. Voiceover is generated, images are assigned, scenes are timed, and captions are created. This is incredible. This behavior existed before, but the difference now is how clearly it's displayed. It feels super interactive. Nothing is fixed. You can drag scenes around, move blocks, and reorganize your structure. You can zoom in and out of the storyboards to adjust your view. You're not stuck inside a rigid layout. You're actually working on a flexible visual board, and that's amazing. On the side of the screen, you will notice 4 buttons: add text, import, add link, and create storyboard. They're available if you want to draft text to image or video separately, import media onto the canvas, attach a link reference, or manually trigger storyboard generation. But our main focus now is on the 2 main panels where the magic actually happens. So let's just delete all these for a clean workspace. On the left, you have your key elements panel. In the center, your script is broken into individual scene blocks with timestamps. On the right, you have a live preview player. One important thing to understand is how updates work. You can modify different parts of your video, but when you change something major in the key elements panel, like the narrator, visual style, or switching from images to video clips, the video doesn't automatically refresh. You have to press generate again, so CapCut creates a new storyboard version. Let's try it. Now you will see storyboard 1, storyboard 2 across the top. and this is actually powerful. You can build multiple versions of the same concept inside one project, and most people will completely miss how big this is. You can change the tone, change the visuals, change the narrator, compare versions, and keep the best one. It's like having version control built into your creative process. Now, here's something even more powerful that many people skip. You can actually create your own AI voice, and you can generate your own AI avatar from a short video of yourself. This changes everything for faceless creators. It means you can build a personalized presenter inside CapCut. It's limited generation at the moment, but the fact that this exists inside the editor is honestly impressive. If you'd like to see it, comment below and I'll make a video about it. Now that we know the interface, let's improve our content, which was fully AI generated for us. Each scene has a small thumbnail and control options. If you click replace, you can swap the visual using 3 sources: My Media, Stock Media, and AI Media. AI Media allows you to rewrite the description and generate new visuals. Let's give it a short prompt. You can pick a different style if you want and also choose between images or videos. Then simply hit generate. Wait for a moment. Alright, we've got 4 images to choose from that are pretty good. Let's go with this one. Just hit the plus icon on the top of the image, and just like that, it's already added to the scene. Then there's Stock Media, lets you search keywords and manually choose better clips. And My Media allows you to upload your own footage, which is the best way to make this content feel original instead of generic. You can also click trim on a scene. CapCut recommends a trim length based on the voiceover duration. You can leave auto trim enabled for quick alignment or manually drag the handle if you want tighter pacing. If you're not happy with how the script is structured, you can edit the narration text directly by writing your additional words or sentences. You can split scenes further, delete lines, or add new text blocks by hitting enter at the end of a scene. If you highlight text, you will see an option to rewrite the scene, and when you click on it, there are further options such as improve it, make it longer, and make it shorter. These features use AI to rewrite the selected line. For example, make it shorter compresses the sentence while keeping the meaning. Make it longer expands it slightly. Improve it rephrases it for clarity. But note that it only edits the script, not the visuals. Above the live preview player, you will see elements. When you click on it and then press replace, a new window appears. You can adjust your captions or use the Smart Edits button to add more features to your video, such as captions, sounds, stickers, and effects. Use the toggles. I usually leave them enabled and set the intensity to medium. Low keeps things subtle and high adds more sound effects and motion, and this can overwhelm your video. Once you're happy, hit apply and your changes will be added to your video. Next to the elements button, you will also see the music section. That's where you can change the soundtrack, CapCut originally generated. If you're not happy with it, just swap the track and preview it instantly. Small detail, but it gives you much more control. Let's watch what we created.
Ready for a change in 2026? Here are 10 habits that will transform your life. 1. Start each day with gratitude. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. 3. Move your body daily. A simple walk can do wonders. 4. Never stop learning. Read a book or listen to a podcast. 5. Nourish your body with healthy food. 6. Change your environment to boost productivity. 7. Unplug from technology for at least an hour a day. 8. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. 9. Spend quality, distraction-free time with your loved ones. 10. Declutter your physical space to clear your mind. Embrace these habits and watch your life change for the better.
Pretty good, isn't it? Once the storyboard looks good, you have two clear choices at the bottom: export or edit more. If you're happy with the result and you just wanted a fast AI-generated reel, you can export it right there, and you're done. Click it and you will see this panel pop up. Add your parameters, hit export, and that's it. But if you want to refine it further, click Edit More. Now, this is important to mention that AI Video Maker is not replacing the timeline. It's building your structured draft, but this is where most creators either stop or start taking more control. When you press Edit More, CapCut opens the main editor and drops your generated video into the timeline with all the layers there: clips, voiceover, music, captions, smart edit elements. Now let's refine it a bit. First, adjust the background music. Lower it slightly so the voice is clear, and add the short fade in at the start and fade out at the end. That alone makes it feel smoother. Second, check Smart Edit sound effects. Delete anything that feels too much, like this here, and replace it with something more subtle. You can add one soft whoosh when a new habit appears, for example. Go to Audio, Sound Effects, search for whoosh. This looks good. Just drop it into the timeline. Don't use anything dramatic, keep it clean. If scene cuts feels too abrupt, click between clips and add simple fades or subtle transitions between a couple of scenes. Finally, add one gentle keyframe. Zoom on a static image so it slowly moves forward. That small motion adds life without making it look over-edited. Select the clip, add the keyframe at the start, move forward, scale slightly. It adds another keyframe and you're done. You've just created a clean zoom-in effect. If you want proper keyframe depth, Dina has a full tutorial on that. I link it below. She explains it perfectly and it's a great one to watch next. And if this video is helping you so far, make sure you like and subscribe so more creators can find useful content like this. Now let's actually play the final version so you can see the full results from start to finish. This is important because you should always evaluate pacing and flow as viewer, not just as an editor. And just like that, we are ready to export our final reel to post it on social media.
Ready for a change in 2026? Here are 10 habits that will transform your life. 1. Start each day with gratitude. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. 3. Move your body daily. Simple walk can do wonders. 4. Never stop learning. Read a book or listen to a podcast. 5. Nourish your body with healthy food. 6. Change your environment to boost productivity. 7. Unplug from technology for at least an hour a day. 8. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. 9. Spend quality, distraction-free time with your loved ones. 10. Declutter your physical space to clear your mind. Embrace these habits and watch your life change for the better.
But this is not the only way to do it. CapCut AI Video Maker also has templates which can generate videos even faster. So keep an eye out because that one is coming next and it's going to be fun. But before we finish, let's answer the big question. Is this new version worth using? My opinion? Capital yes, especially for beginners. It removes the fear of the timeline and gives you structure instantly. It handles pacing, AI voiceover generation, visuals, captions, and multiple storyboard versions, which makes creating videos much faster. And the fact that this entire storyboard workflow is currently free makes it even more impressive. But here's the truth. If you want it to feel like your content, replace visuals with your own footage. Adjust the tone, regenerate versions, record your own voice, because that's where it stops being AI content and starts being yours. But before you leave, make sure you watch Dina's keyframe tutorial because it will make everything we did in the timeline feel 10 times easier. Then open CapCut, test this feature properly, experiment with it, and actually enjoy the process. Because this one is genuinely fun to use. Now go and build something amazing, then tell me in the comments what you came up with, and I'll see you in the next one.